Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see how to install Ubuntu on Windows like dual booting. First of all, we have to download Ubuntu ISO file. You can open any Google search bar and that you can just type Ubuntu download. That's enough. Uh, after take Ubuntu download, you can select the first link in this green icon. It's download. It's 5.9 GB. You can click over there, download the file. Previously I have downloaded the file. So now we have to create an Ubuntu bootable flash. Just type Ubuntu flash, that's enough. Click over the first link. In this we can see Microsoft Windows and Apple. We will select Windows because from the Windows only we are going to create an bootable flash. And in this you can see refuse tool and balancer. So refuse tool, we can see this in the screen. You can see that I will explain you. Now I am going to download this balancer, just a small application. After downloading, install this application. Already I have installed in the system, but we can see the download location. It will be in the downloads. Just to select this download, and from programs we can see that a green icon. Just double click over there and install the setup file. It's a very simple small file. After installing the setup file, just open the setup file and insert the 8 GB flash is enough. Below it's not, because almost the file is 6 GB. In this balancer, when you open, you can see 3 steps: flash from file, select a target, flash. Now after inserting the flash, you can select that ISO file. In this there is an option change. The change is there. If you have 2 flashes inserted on your system, you can select which flash you are going to make a bootable flash. After that you can give flash. It will take little time. In between I will tell you about refuse tool. I had 3-4 images here, and right click the my computer and select the option manage, and go to the option disk management. From that disk management, left side you will find your C drive full volume. Right click over there and go for properties. In the properties you can select the volume. In this volume you can see where your Windows operating system. Now it's GPT or MBR. So the same format we will going to make a bootable flash by the refuse tool, because why, if you make like that only, you can install this. You can see some this photos which I have included here. So just pause that one, and there's the 3-4 steps for to make an bootable flash. Now the application which is running here, now the first step is finished. The second step, it's validating the bootable flash drive, because I make just like skip that validating process everything, but it will take a more long video. That's why after this validating, you can see your flash, you will get the message that format your flash drive like that. But don't do anything, just keep it the flash drive as it is, same like that if you are installing in the same system. You can see I have explained you before that open that disk management. So you see, same, right click manage. From this you can select the disk management. Now in this location we are going to create a small partition. I said you the left side, you right click and go for properties and volume, like etc. You can see basic disk 953.8 GB. in this location I had said. So now select the main drive and select the option shrink volume. The meaning of shrink volume, we will make from the present partition to another small partition. Now I make 50 GB for small partition. For the installation, at least 20-30 GB is enough for the installation of the Ubuntu. And while you create this partition, keep it as it is. Don't create like a simple volume or like that. Now this is the flash which we create before as a bootable Ubuntu flash drive. Just insert that one and restart the system. While restarting the system, and I will tell you in this BIOS setup, if it's like MPR or GPT, I said same. If there is any difference while you boot from Ubuntu like that, if you select, it will not boot from Ubuntu. You will get an error message that I will upload in the next video. Now we will go for because the drive, flash drive, it's not showing here. First we go for the BIOS setup. We will see whether all these procedure are same or different. Let us check. Select the BIOS setup, and in this we have to select the option boot sequence. This boot manager UEFI, it's showing the hard disk, SSD, and the boot manager both it's showing. Now the mode is UEFI mode. We will check whether this is enabled or not. It must not be enabled, the legacy option. And next one, SATA operation. SATA operation, it must be AHCI mode, not be in write mode or ATA or like that. So next is secure boot. Secure boot must be enabled. You must not be disabled. If you disable while booting from Ubuntu, you will get an error message. So these three steps, it must be same like that what I keep it, if it's in UEFI mode. If it's in legacy mode, it's no problem. You can disable the secure boot. You can disable the options. What disable means, first of all, the changes we can make here. See, now the SanDisk which is showing here, we are going to select the third option. While selecting the third option, you can see try or install Ubuntu or Ubuntu in safe graphics. In Ubuntu, while we are doing, there is a text mode and graphic mode. Text mode, I will make another video also for the how to install. It's a very easy method. This is the some procedure for it will take long. Now we select for try to install Ubuntu. So now the installation started. Let us see what are the procedure we are going to follow. Can wait. Now the login screen, it's appeared. I make little faster this place because it will take too long to run rotating like that. Preparing Ubuntu. The first option which appears for selecting the language. Now you can see the screen appear. See different languages are there. Whatever the language which you want, you can select. At present I am selecting the language English, and you can select the option next. From here also we are not going to make any changes from here. We are going to select again next. And after that, the same English US is better, and English UK. In English there is a different places, so you can, if you want, you can change it. Otherwise keep it same English US, it's better, and select the option next. From here, the first option, no wired connection is detected. If you connected your internet PC or laptop with wire, the option will be enabled. And at present I connect to a hidden network because my network is in hidden, so I had selected the option connect to a hidden network. In this place we are going to enter the SSID name, means your internet Wi-Fi name here. After that you can just select the option connect. Now the option it's enabled for enter the password. You have to enter the password here. After entering the password, you can select the option connect, and you can still it's connecting. That's why the option is disabled below. Now this place the option will connect. The next option it's appeared. You can select the option next over here. And if you want to update the Ubuntu, then if you can update or just leave it same like that. At present I am selecting the option skip. We will go for the next screen. Here install Ubuntu alongside or instead of your current operating system. Now we are going to select the install Ubuntu. We are not going to select the option try Ubuntu. Same install Ubuntu, keep it same like that, and we can select the option next. Because in the same Windows partition only we are going to install the Ubuntu. And from here default selection, just the essentials, web browser and basic utilities, extended selections, and offline friendly selection for office tools, utilities and web browser. If you want, you can select the second option. It will be better. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Download and install support for additional media formats. Better to enable both option. You will get more features. You can see here included but not limited for MP3, MP4, MOV and similar some files. After that we can select the option next. This is the main place. Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. You can choose your operating system during. So if you want to make it same partition, you can continue. Or second option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Means the previous operating system will be removed and the fresh Ubuntu will be installed, and while booting time only Ubuntu will be on your computer. For first two option we no need, because we have created previously and 50 or 54 GB in our before that partition from the disk management. So manual installation, select the manual installation. You can see here 54.41 GB. You can and also SDA1, SDA2. If it's SSD, it will get you can SDA. If you are the system have hard disk NVM, there will be NVM like that. And below you can see SDB1, that's our flash drive. And now we are going to create the partition for the installation. You can see here SDA1, SDA2, SDA3, SDA4 and free space. Now let us select this free space, and in this corner you can see the plus symbol. Select the plus symbol, and from here we have to create an swap partition. If it's like some RAM, it's regarding like a RAM like 8 GB, or if 8 GB 2 GB, if it's 16 GB keep it same 2 GB, but 4 GB it will be better for you to create the swap partition. Now it select the swap, and in the mount point we are not going to select anything, just we have created the 4 GB, and select the again the 50 GB, and we are going to the select the option plus. In this plus you can keep it same like MP or GB, whatever it is, no issue. And in the used as an XDA4, keep it XDA4 as it is, don't change. From the mount point we has backslash, you can select and give OK. After that we will come to the option next for the installation process. Before that you have to select, you have to see it's in the same 1 TB, and next one you see 30.77 GB, that's your SanDisk flash drive, and we are not going to do anything there, just keep it the same your hard disk 1 TB, and select the option next. After selecting that you have to enter whatever the name, username you want. Just enter the username here. After entering the username you can select the password there. Enter the password for 2 times. Confirm the password. After that you can see the option require my password to log in. If you want to keep this password for login, you can keep it like that. So better to remove. While you are using the terminal you can use this username password, that will be better. Your name like admin1 and the password. So after just entering this we are going to select the option next. After that, at present Muscat, Oman is already is there. If it's in different location you can change to different location, and after that same option next. And whatever we have done like our hard disk and application etc., just select the option next. This it will take little time, you must be patient, maybe it will take like 10 to 15 minutes like that. And just I make it like faster, that's why it's running faster. So after maximum now the installation is completed. After this process it will be asking to restart. We can wait for some time. Now almost it's going to finish now, the installation. After the installation complete, can see, we can just go through what are the settings inside. Now we are going to restart the system. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter, just to remove the flash which we created, bootable flash, if it's in the system. After removing that, it will you will get the option from which operating system you have to boot, like if you want Windows or Ubuntu. You can see Ubuntu, advanced option for Ubuntu, memory test next option, and Windows boot manager or UEFI firmware setting. If you want to select Windows, you can select Windows boot manager. Now we are going to select again Ubuntu. We can see what are the settings inside, options like that. Now it's booting. Now all the installation, everything is completed. Welcome to Ubuntu. Complete your setup with additional setting, and we will have you up and running in one time. You can just select the option next. After that, enable Ubuntu Pro like that. Skip for now. You can, in the corner you can see the option for skip. Just select the option skip from there. And yes, share system data with Ubuntu team. At present you can select the option no, don't share system data. After that, we can finish. All those applications will be available in the app center. We have completed all this installation, and this is the place which all the apps which will be there. This you can see clocks, videos, additional calculator, calendar, camera, document, firmware, settings, imageware, system monitor, language, office, terminal is the main thing we are going to install for running the commands. There will be many options here. If you want to update the software also, you can see below. And this is the terminal screen. Here only we are going to use the commands. This is the user. There will be using like a root and sudo. This is the main thing. And we have entered admin 1. We can see that admin 1 the username over there. And you can see the Chrome and files. This is the files. Means if you select this file, you can see the desktop, document, download, musics, everything same like C drive. This is the music box here, and it's an app center. In this app center, whatever the application you want, you can select. Just can try here the WhatsApp is available or not. Just type WhatsApp. It's available. You can install like this application. All it will be available over here. And this is how to install the Ubuntu on your system and all these options. And if you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.